If you have holes in your gloves like this and you don't have time to sew it, I'm going to show you a remedy that'll last for a minute. Turn it inside out like this. The ones that got holes in it, grab a rubber band. The rubber bands you put in little girl's hair. Put it on the fingertip like this and do like this. And do the same with the other one that have a hole in it. Do the same thing. And it won't hurt your hand or your kid's hand. And then after you do that, see, that's how it's going to look. Then turn it back inside out. Like this. And put your hands in it. Voila. You got gloves with no more holes. See? It works. Try it out. You'll like it. And your kids' hands and your hands will stay warm. Bye, Leona.